Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. As we know that nowadays various AI tools are in demand, but which one is better? It is difficult to choose. Therefore, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the analysis of two most prominent generative AI tools, that is Perplexity and ChatGPT. We'll analyze their performance on the basis of two major queries and we'll see which one performs better. In today's video, I'll pass two important queries and we'll check the results provided by both Perplexity and ChatGPT. And at the end, you'll come to know which one is better. And I would also like you also provide me your opinion on the use of both of these tools. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, in the Google, we'll just type Perplexity AI and we'll get the first link, getting started with Perplexity. I'll open this link, then this site will be opened. And there are various options available. First of all, it tells you what it can perform for you. This is given on the homepage of Perplexity. You can go through this homepage and you'll come to know what is its functionality and how it works and how it is different from other AI search or generative AI tools. But before starting using it, we need to click on Try Perplexity. I'll click over it. Then this interface will be open. It will ask you for signing in. I have already signed in by my Google account. That's why this interface is open. And this is a chat box just like ChatGPT where I have to pass my query and it will provide me answers accordingly. Let's suppose we have a query. Please provide me a book outline or syllabus for data science, and I'll hit enter. Then it provides me this information: introduction to data science, overview of data science, definition, importance and application in various industries, history and evolution, how data science has developed over time, career paths, roles and responsibilities in the field of data science. Then fundamentals of data science. Various chapters are divided for fundamentals like mathematics for data science, programming fundamentals and database management systems. Thereafter, data wrangling and visualization. These topics are given. Then machine learning and advanced topics in data science like big data analytics, cloud computing for data science, practical applications and case studies. And after that, there will be conclusion. So it has provided us the course outline for a book on data science. And if I want to search images on it, it is given on the right side. I'll click on search images. So various data science images are also given over here. And related videos are also provided. If I click over them, various YouTube videos are given on the right pane and generate image. If I want to generate my own image for data science, then I can also generate an image. It is asking for professional plan for generating AI images. But in the free plan, you can get pre-existing images and videos. So this is how Perplexity works. It has provided me a book outline. Now I'll pass the similar query into ChatGPT. I'll copy this query and paste it in ChatGPT window as well. I'll hit enter. It has given me a book title as Data Science Principles, Practices and Applications. Then introduction, foundations of data science, essential statistics for data science, programming for data science. In part 2, it has given me machine learning and AI in data science, introduction to machine learning, supervised learning techniques, unsupervised advanced topics, big data, cloud and deployment. Then applications and case studies. And at the end, it has provided me conclusion. So if I compare the course outline provided by both ChatGPT and Perplexity, then both are good in their own way. Now let's check for another query. Let's suppose I want to perform research on digital mental health, the effectiveness of AI-driven therapy apps in addressing mental health issues. जैसे कि आजकल हम देखते हैं as we use lot of digital products and there is a lot of screen time either on laptops or mobile screens and a lot of exposure to screen is there. Therefore, if we want to perform research on digital mental health, that is the effectiveness of AI-driven therapy apps in addressing mental health issues, then such topic can be useful. Now let's hit enter, or you can ask, please provide me literature, latest literature, or research papers on the above given topic. Let's see what it answers for us. First answer, it has given us AI-powered mental health apps, insights and challenges. Sources, Hash Studios blog. It has also provided us the source from where this text has been fetched. That means ये हमें बताता है कि जहां से भी टेक्स्ट लिया गया है उसका सोर्स क्या है और कहां से आया है. तो इसने समराइज्ड वे में परप्लेक्सिटी ने इसका आंसर हमें प्रोवाइड किया है. The use of AI in mental health services for decision making. This is published in Journal of Medical Internet Research and this is a summary. If I click on it, it provides us the link for that journal and that journal is also open. And the paper title is The Use of AI in Mental Health Services to Support Decision Making, Scoping Review. Next is Effectiveness and Limitations of AI Mental Health Apps. And its source is Meditate Mate. If I click on its source, then this link is also open. Next, WHO study on AI applications in mental health research. And its source is directly from WHO. Balancing need and risk in AI-based mental health apps. And its source is ResearchGate. So it has provided us 6 such sources from which this information has been retrieved. And it is also suggesting us further queries that we can pass to get more insights on this research. Now let's perform this query on ChatGPT. Just click on ChatGPT and I'll pass the same query over here and hit enter. We are checking results of ChatGPT on the same topic. AI chatbots for mental health is scoping review of effectiveness. Exploring the efficacy of mental health care chatbots, a comprehensive review. The first link is MDPI, second one is IEEE Explore. Let's click over it. It has taken this information from this paper of IEEE. Exploring the efficacy of mental health care chatbots, a comprehensive review. Next, a generic review of integrating artificial intelligence in cognitive behavioral therapy and archive. Its link is given over here, archive. And then effectiveness of AI-based chatbots in mental health support, a systematic review. Journal publication. And the next one is also from MDPI. It has provided us 5 such links with their description. So if we compare the performance of Perplexity and ChatGPT, they are almost comparable and the results are also appropriate. If you use both of them for your research, then they'll be quite beneficial for you and they'll help you a lot for performing research in an easy manner. You can get a lot of insights by using such AI tools. Please let me know in the comment box, have you used Perplexity or ChatGPT? for your research and which one is giving better results for you? Please let me know in the comment box. Or if you have any publication queries or doubts, if you have any publication issues, then you can contact me on my email address. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.